says blessing. So concept of cure. I was discussing in the last classes mostly concept of cure.
Hello guys.
So I am repeating the same thing again and again. Why? Because this concept you have to develop, and this concept you will carry throughout your the last brain. If you want to be a homeopath, if you want to practice homeopathy, that is why it is actually the backbone of homeopathic philosophy. Concept of health, concept of disease, concept of cure, concept of individualization, concept of holism. These 5 things is very important. What I told, concept of health, concept of disease, concept of cure, concept of holism, concept of individualization. So we read cure, right? So let's start from cure. From last class, cure. Right? So to them, to allopathic system, they need for their treatment diagnosis. Now I told malaria, 3 patients, if they were diagnosed with malaria, they will get chloroquine to everybody. But if you are a homeopathic physician, if 3 patients comes to you with the malaria, Plasmodium falciparum positive, diagnosed case of malaria, you may need, most of the time you need actually 3 different medicines because person varying. Okay. One person I told during the chill stage he desire for water, but not during the cold stage, which is abnormal. Right? These symptoms have no value to the allopathic system of medicine. See? But if any patient tells, sir, only during the chill stage I drink water, this is one of the indication of inertia. You will read the medicine letter, any medicine. This is indication of one medicine. Somebody, you are what you have observed, now desire to be covered in every stage, maybe heat stage, maybe sweat stage, maybe chill stage. There are 3 stages in malaria. Heat, chill, then perspiration. Chill, perspiration. First there is shivering. Patient wants to cover. Uske baad after that he will throw all the covering. Temperature rising 100, 101, 102, 103. Okay? And then perspiration and fever gradually diminishes. This is the symptoms of malaria. Okay? So one person is telling at the height of the chill, I feel thirsty. Okay. One person is telling, the whole stage I am thirsty, but I need ice chilled water. Otherwise I cannot do it. I need ice cold water. The medicine is phosphorus. Okay? So person is suffering from malaria. So one person you give ignatia, another person you give phosphorus, another person came who told, sir, I am very much thirsty. But as soon as I drink one sip of water, my whole thirst disappears. I don't know how it happened. Before taking sip of water, I think I will finish the whole bottle. The intensity of thirst like this. But as soon as I take one sip, my whole thirst disappears. Is it characteristics or not? Very characteristic. The medicine is arsenicum alba. Where is the difference between allopathic system and homeopathic system? During the treatment, allopathic system they need only the pathological diagnosis, name of the disease. Then only they can prescribe medicine. But in cases of homeopathy, we need common symptom, that is name of the disease, along with the uncommon peculiar characteristic symptom. That we will discuss in organon of medicine, aphorism number 153. Okay, Hahnemann has given all the instruction for the concept of homeopathy, okay, for the treatment of the homeopathy. So according to aphorism number 153, you have to find out which symptoms is uncommon characteristic symptoms. Okay? Basing on that symptom, you have to prescribe. Now, this is the difference between concept of treatment in homeopathy and allopathic system. Another difference of treatment is, to them, in allopathic system, removal of the symptoms is enough. Only they want to relieve the symptom. For example, a patient suffering from eczema or ringworm, what they do? They apply ointment. Okay? The symptoms is disappeared. To them it is cured. The person is cured. And they term it tropical application and the local disease. Tropical disease. Tropical disease, or local disease. Okay? Accordingly, basing on this concept, they apply medicine on the external part of the body and symptoms disappear. They term it, the patient is cured. Clear? But to us, this is not tropical. This is not local. To us, it is a whole man is diseased. Whole man is diseased. The disease is manifested here through the external part of the body. The whole man is diseased. The disease is manifesting through the headache or migraine. The whole man is diseased. The disease is manifested through the cholecystitis. The whole man is diseased. The disease is manifested through the renal stone. The whole man is diseased. Disease is manifested through the acute appendicitis. Okay? So, through them, whole man is diseased. The disease is manifesting through the external part in the name of the ringworm, in the name of eczema, all different names, in the name of vitiligo. So, to them, as because it is manifested through the external part of the body, that is why they consider it disease of the external part of the body. Do you follow? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
This is their consideration of the disease. Okay? As because disease is on the external part of the body, on the skin, on the nail, on the hair, so it is related to the external part of the body, as if whole body is not involved. That is why they term it tropical disease or local disease. See? But Hahnemann is telling, no, the skin belongs to the man. Skin belongs to the man. Okay? So it is the whole man who is sick. That sickness is manifested through the external part of the body. It cannot be regarded as a local disease. Do you follow? Do you follow what I told? Huh? কি করছিস? বাংলা সমঝতে? কি করছিস? Unattentive. চলো বস sit down. So to them, this is local disease. Hahnemann is telling, no, this is not local disease. This is the whole man who is sick. There cannot be any local disease. What Hahnemann is telling? There cannot be any local disease. It is the whole man who is sick, and that sickness is manifested through the different parts of the body, either in the name of the migraine, in the name of the cholecystitis, in the name of appendicitis, in the name of gastric ulcer, in the name of eczema, in the name of ringworm. Yeah? So who is scientific, Hahnemann or your allopathic system? देखो उधर आवाज ही नहीं You may leave homeopathy, but if you leave homeopathy, at least you know what homeopathy is. Homeopathy is best. It is superior than the allopathy. Scientific, most scientific than the allopathy. You take. I am not telling. Anyone is not shouting. You have to say homeopathy is best, homeopathy is best. Hahnemann not shouting 200 years before he completed his writing. No?
Yes, sir.
So, from your common sense, you tell which one scientific considering the disease of the skin is as a local disease or considering the skin disease as a whole disease. So, similarly, the mode of the treatment will be different in allopathic system and homeopathic system. That is why mode of the treatment is different. They focus only on the parts which is involved. What they are doing? They consider or they focus only on the part which is disease. In homeopathy, we focus on the whole person who is diseased. Which one is scientific? आवाज कितना
Both are scientific.
forcing. I am not forcing. I am not forcing it to fail. Homeopathy is science-based. I am not forcing. Just you all are scientific-minded students. You all are scientific-minded. So I am asking just which one is scientific. I am not telling tell homeopathy scientific. I am not telling. Just I am giving option which one is scientific. You people are telling. No? This is the homeopathy. You have to understand this first. Then only you can be good homeopathy. First you have to understand what homeopathy is. Because you are all from the materialistic school, all from materialistic concept. Development of the dynamic concept is very difficult. I am practicing 25 years, still I doubt how these small on-globules is working. Because we all are materialistic person. We all are materialistic. We don't believe in the dynamic. We all are materialistic. ठीक है? If I say I love you, ठीक है? You will not believe. If I give a costly pen, then you will smile. Really see love. फेसबुक में होता है ना, पीछे से दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ के ऐसे देखते हो ना, और दूसरा लड़के के साथ पकड़ के जैसे समझ गए? So we don't believe in the dynamic concept. We believe in materialistic concept, materialistic concept. Even love needs materials. We don't believe the words. Huh? Talking about? Then homeopathy will give you everything. I am telling everything. What do you mean? कितना रुपया लगता है? लाखों करोड़ रुपए you can earn in a month. I am telling. Yes.
करोड़
rupees you can earn in a month.
40 लाख 1 करोड़ कमा सकते हो महीने में उससे पूछो ना
You can earn. But before that, you have to be devoted to homeopathy. Then only you can earn lakhs or crores.
अभी तो कोई
Evidences are there. Evidences are there. Huh? Evidence means persons are earning crore rupees per month. That is the evidence. If you want to see, go just 300 meter distance from your college. You see every Tuesday, every Wednesday, Sir is sitting. Dr. Sunil Sarkar. Go and meet. Just take basic. Professor of Medical Department. Go. Other department, my teacher, Dr. Elim Khan, you go. Earning crore rupees per month. But before that, you have to believe, you have to learn what homeopathy is. But you need patient coming to you, and you will give external application.
अबे बीपीएस भैया है ना वो भी बता रहे थे जिनको बहुत अच्छा आता है उसका 3,035 खाली फीस लेता है एक आदमी से
All the cardinal principles you have
और
to
हमेशा
believe.
होम्योपैथी फिजिशियन का ज़्यादा होता है क्योंकि वो टाइम
All the
देता
cardinal
है तो
principles
डबल
you
होता है
have to believe. Then only you will get the blessings of Almighty. Otherwise, you will be quack. Cannot believe homeopathy and could not get chance to improve. In between, you will swing. concept of health, concept of cure. What is happening? Concept of treatment. ठीक है? So Hahnemann is telling it is the whole man who is sick. Whole man who is sick. Concept of holism. Concept of holism. Whole man. We believe the man as a unit. Not the skin is separate from the man. Not the gallbladder is separate from the man. Not the appendix is separate from the man. Not the kidney you can separate it from the man. Not the your mind you can separate from the person. Oh, person is suffering from mental disturbance, refer him to psychiatry. And for gastric disturbance, refer him to gastroenterologist. Or for sexual problem, refer him to sexologist. Or for kidney problem, refer him to nephrologist. So person is one and 4 or 5 different doctors they are doing. Oh, horrible. Is this scientific? Hahnemann is telling no, you have to consider the person as a whole. The person is sick and that sickness manifesting through different parts or organs. Yeah, the person is sick, the man is sick and his sickness manifesting through different parts or organ. So before the parts or organ, something is there. No? Before the part or organ, something is there. Who is that? That is the person himself. That is in the form of Hajan. See? So before parts or organ, something is there. Something is there. He becomes sick first. Then that sickness manifests itself through the different parts or organ. आप देखो तुम बोलोगे सर का दिमाग खराब हो गया क्या बोल रहे हैं सब We know head is paining, head is disease. We know abdomen is paining, abdomen is disease. Liver is enlarged, liver is disease. Today we are listening man fasting, their liver is enlarging. Who is man and who is liver? No? This concept. This is the homeopathy. If you fail to develop this concept, then you cannot be good physician. You will give one medicine for liver, another medicine for gastric, another medicine for kidney. Also, you will prescribe medicine like that of allopathy. This is happening. This is happening. Even the students who are doing MD from organon department, they are also thinking in this way. They are prescribing. It is the sad part. After being passed from NIE, after doing MD even from organon medicine, they are practicing like this. This is same. This is the wasting of money. The government wasted their money for that type of ones. And companies are there. They are searching this type of Pandit homeopath. And they are preparing medicine combination number 1, 2. If you read the combination medicine, combination head drop, nasal drop, pain drop, acid drop. समझ लो in different combination they are preparing it. In acid drop, they are mixing carbamide, Romania, pulsatilla, nathomicum, they are mixing and giving to the physician. You give. एकदम ready-made. इतना पढ़ने का जरूरत नहीं. No need to read the homeopathic philosophy. No need to read the homeopathic mathematica. We are there to serve you, sir. But homeopathy in the form and shape of allopathy. This is coming. Already came. You go to any homeopathic shop, there you will find this type of combination. Drop. Different company they are preparing. Syrup. Different type of homeopathic syrup. Different type of combination medicine. Different type of drop medicine. What is that? Is it? Even it is written homeopathic medicine. You cannot write. It is not homeopathic medicine. You are reading pharmacy, na? What is the definition? Sorry, what is the definition of medicine? What is the definition of drug? Well, already you have read, na? Definition of drug, definition of medicine. You will read. You will read what is the definition of drug, what is the definition of medicine. So how can they prepare medicine in this form? And there you are writing homeopathic medicine. Totally illegal, totally illegal. But how rare they are producing, manufacturing this type of medicine? Because of your support. They know that we have followers. They will prescribe. Even they listen lecture of astrology. Okay. More than 50% students, they are doing this. What is the problem? Your identity is you are homeopathic physician. When you are homeopathic physician, then why you are not following the homeopathic? Leave homeopathy. Leave homeopathy. No. Who is asking you to read homeopathy? Who is asking? Who? More genuine students will come. But if you want to be homeopathic physician, follow the homeopathic principle. Then only you will get respect from society. Otherwise, people will tell that they are quack. Even though passed from the night, they are like a quack practitioner. People know who is practicing rightly. Even common people know that actual homeopathy is giving one medicine. Do you know that? Common people, they know actual homeopathy is giving one medicine. Common people know. If you are belongs to a village of Bengal, I am talking. If Bengal people are quite aware about what homeopathy is. I cannot say about the other state. If you give more than one medicine, they will tell you are not an actual homeopathic physician. Actual homeopathic physician give only one medicine. That is why practicing in Bengal is difficult. Because all are aware. So difference of treatment in allopathy and homeopathic concept. So they are focusing only on the part or organ. Whenever person is suffering from acid problem, they are giving antacid. You know, na antacid working only on the GI tract. Okay. Person suffering from headache, they are giving some medicine which is acting only on the nervous system, central nervous system. Person suffering from for example, pain, they are giving only painkiller. Na? Specific to the disease. Specific to the disease. Person suffering from eczema, topical application. Person suffering from respiratory difficulties, medicine, inhaler. You know, you all are aware. Yes, so they are focusing, targeting only on the part which is sick, which is diseased. They don't have the concept of holism. But in homeopathy, we believe it is the whole man who is sick, not his part or organ. What I am telling? It is the whole man who is sick, not his part or organ. This is one question. Explain. What does it mean? Aphorism number 1. The physician's high and only mission is to restore the sick to health, to cure, as it is termed. So what is sick? Anyone could tell the physician's high and only mission is to cure the disease? No? It is normal concept. Why patient come to physician to get cured? So physician's high and only mission he could write to cure the disease. And he should have. Anyone did not write that. Anyone did not write that physician's high and only mission is to cure the disease. No? Why patient come to us to get cured? So that should be the aim? No. Anyone no. Physician's aim is not to cure the disease. Physician's aim is to cure the person who is having disease. What is the difference between these two statements? You have to cure disease or you have to cure the person who is having disease. Is it same statement or different statement? Totally different. Totally different. Now you tell which one is more scientific. Am I forcing you?
No, sir.
Anybody forcing you? This is the difference. When Hahnemann wrote these aphorisms, whole medical world criticized Hahnemann. What Hahnemann is telling, we have to treat the person, not the disease. पागल हो गया। Hahnemann का पूरा पागल हो गया। समझ गए? आप क्या हुआ? Later I will discuss while discussing aphorism number 1. Is it discussed? So focusing only part, not the organ. This is known as recovery, not the cure. There is difference between the word cure and recovery. Cure is removal of the symptoms, total removal of the symptoms without any after suffering. What is cure? Cure is, now I am coming definition of cure. Cure is total removal of the symptoms without any after sufferings. Patient ठीक हो जाएगा, उसके बाद after that patient will be all the symptoms free. After that there will be no new complaint. This is the definition of cure as per Hahnemann. But allopathy concept, it is the removal of the symptoms to make the person free from the disease.
खाली है
To free from the
थोड़ा सा।
symptom, that is the cure. Is there any difference between these two concepts? Removal of the symptoms without any after suffering, or only removal of the symptoms. This is the two statement, two definition of cure. One is homeopathic, another is allopathic. Is there any difference between these two definitions? What is the difference?
If we treat the people, they will not came again with that disease. And in allopathy, they make a
Reappear, symptoms may reappear. That is why in allopathy, it is the removal of the symptoms equal to cure. But in allopathy, it is the removal of the symptom without any after suffering. After that, symptoms will not reappear. This is the definition of homeopathic cure. Clear? देखो, patient is suffering from acidity. Simple example I am giving you. Patient is suffering from acidity. What you are taking? Antacids. You are prescribing antacid. You are taking one antacid. Now there is no acidity. Clear? Again you have to take it at evening or the next day. Again acidity will come. Again you have to take another. That is why we have written continue for 3 months or till next visit. But you have taken totality of the symptom. You have prescribed sulfur 200 dose only. Clear? And you told the patient come after 1 month or 2 months. Patient coming for the second time after, for example, 2 months. Allopathic physician will repeat the same prescription, or he will write the antacids again. But you homeopathic physician, what happened? What patient will reply after the 3rd month? You have prescribed medicine for 1 month. Okay. She is allopathic physician. He is homeopathic physician. Okay. Just try to understand. But she is patient. She came 2 months after. These two patients suffering from acidity came 2 months after. She reported, sir, I came late because I was better. There was no acidity. That is why I came 1 month later. Acidity is relieved to a great extent, but there is still little presence, sir. ठीक है? Little presence. What she is reporting? She is reporting, sir, while I was taking the medicine, I was quite okay. But when I stopped the medicine last 1 month, I stopped the medicine. But same thing again, sir, I am acidity, suffering from acidity. She will repeat the prescription. Okay? She will write, take placebo. This is the difference. Because he understood the patient is cured, that it is taking time. I have to wait. placebo only and we will take 500 rupees fee. And C will write again the same medicine, antacid, etc. and will advise you have to continue this. And C will take 1000 rupees. He cured the patient and he palliated the patient. And he recovered on. After the 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, he recovered on. Not cured, but he cured that patient. This is the difference. Recovery means removal of the symptom. Removal of the symptom without any fixed principle. No principle. Symptoms disappear. Okay. She was taking medicine, no symptom. But in homeopathy, cure means what? Cure will take place as per a fixed principle. Law of similia, similibus, cure. Okay? According to Hering's law of cure. Have you heard the name Hering's law of cure? No. Okay? So recovery will take place means removal of the symptom. That is recovery without any fixed principle. There is no symptoms in the patient, but there is no symptom. But cure means it will take place according to rules and regulation, that is law of similia and Hering's principle. According to Hering's law of cure, the cure will take place. Okay? And in cases of cure, symptoms will not reappear, but in cases of recovery, symptoms may reappear again. There is chance of reappearance in cases of recovery. Recover. Cure means total radical removal of the symptom. Recovery is removal of the symptom. There is a chance of the recovery. Again, relapse. They believe in the removal of the symptom, means in the recovery, but homeopath will believe in the cure only. Clear? So we are curing and taking less fee, they are palliating and taking more fee. No? So concept of holism. There is no local disease. There is no local disease. It is the man who is sick. The disease is manifested through different parts or organs. Okay? So when a person becomes sick, whole person becomes sick. That sickness manifested through different systems, either GI system or urinary system or nervous system or different system. Okay? Which system it will attack? I told in the last class, according to hereditary dyscrasia. According to hereditary dyscrasia, the symptoms or system will be involved. If respiratory difficulties running in the family, he may develop respiratory difficulties. If skin symptoms is involved in the family, he may develop skin disease. That I told. So there is no local disease. It is the whole man who is sick. It is the whole man who is sick. There is no local disease. Similarly, that is why in homeopathy we do not believe in external application of medicine. This is the next one. In homeopathy, we do not apply any external medication. Clear? No topical application in homeopathy. Okay? No external application, no ointment in homeopathy. It is against the homeopathic philosophy. If anybody is giving for external application, consider that he is not following homeopathic principle. Leave the place as early as possible. Clear? So, okay. So in homeopathy, we do not apply any local application for the treatment, because if we apply the local medication, there is some drawback. What is that drawback of local application? That also experiment discussed in aphorism 196 onward. We will discuss tropical application or local application. What is the drawback of local application? So we do not allow reading treatment any type of local application. Only we believe single medicine, minimum dose, law of similia, law of simplex. Law of simplex means single medicine. Law of simplex means हो मैडम कहाँ खो गए सिंगल वो बोल दिया हम खोए नहीं आपका बात सुन रहा हूँ तो लॉ ऑफ सिंप्लेक्स मीन्स सिंप्लेक्स मीन्स single medicine. Law of minimum, that hard cardinal principle. Law of minimum means small dose, minimum dose, not the whole bottle, not the bada strip of capsules or medicine, not in physiological dose, not in material dose, only in the dynamic dose. On globules, medicated globules. There is no material existing. Dynamic energy. The globules containing dynamic energy.
Sir, in case of art or wood, we apply iteration in that case also is done so but
I was expecting this question. That is why I keep myself silent. Who will ask this question? दरवाजा खोल दो. Sir, आगे तो बोलो, ठीक है? आगे. आज में ना. So I was expecting this question. That is why I was waiting. Who will ask this
सेवा
question?
करेंगे
Who will
काटरीन
reply?
में क्या था पूछा
Very intelligent question. क्या चाहते हो तुम?
बड़ा बात हमें पहले
In cases of wounds or card, we use, na? We use or not? Card or wound, this is surgical condition. This is not dynamic disease. What is that? Is it dynamic disease? Disease is dynamic derangement of vital force, na? I told the definition of disease is dynamic derangement of vital force from inner side, and disease will be manifested through the part or organ. ठीक है? Now you feel down, and there is crack, fracture, or cut wound. Is it dynamic disease? Is it disease dynamic disease? No, it is injury. Trauma, injury from outside. In that case, you can use calendula ointment for what? For dressing to make the asepsis. There may be contamination of the virus, bacteria. Okay, to clean the wound we use. To clean the wound only we use. At the same time, we give our dynamic medicine, calendula, internally. Na? So why we use external medicine? Only in that case, which is surgical. Start initiated from the outside. Disease is caused by the injury from outside, not from inside. In that case, to keep the area contamination free, we apply some antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral oil for dressing purpose, not the for curative purpose. For curative purpose, we use medicine internally, calendula, the same medicine or arnica we give internally.
So sulfur ointment तो itching and
Very good. Sulfur ointment. For what? For itching. Itching starts from outside or inside? Cause
outside maybe.
outside.
Inside.
How itching started? Okay. Very good.
Affects the virus.
I must appreciate. Thank you for asking this question. One is for surgical cut or wound. We are applying external application. I will discuss everything discussed. In which area we can use surgery? Surgery is different mode of treatment. It is not allopathy, it is not homeopathy, it is not Ayurveda. That is a different mode of treatment. When medicine fails or during treatment, some surgical help necessary. For example, fracture. Your radius totally fractured. Okay, you will give homeopathic medicine and gradually your hand will be like Is it possible? No. Even allopathic medicine cannot make it. So surgically you have to plaster and reduction. It is known as reduction. So you have to reduce with the help of support. You have to keep the radius or ulna in a line. Then you give internal medication. They give calcium tablet. They give painkillers, anti-inflammatory, different type of medicine you give. You have also medicine, Lutacin, Phyton. Your medicine works faster than their medicine. Your medicine works faster than the allopathic medicine. Challenge, you bring any two patients. One patient give to me or any homeopathic physician here. Another patient you give to allopathic orthopedic physician. And you compare the healing process. My challenge. Clear? You can tell in this confidence I am giving challenge. Homeopathy can assure you this challenge, can give the strength to challenge.
पूछो
ठीक है? तो
मुझे जोर से पूछो।
For example, fracture, dislocation
जोर से भाई।
happen. You will take help of orthopedic physicians. They will make the plaster. Oh, madam, मेरा भी lecture, तुम्हारा भी lecture हम सुनेंगे। तो सर्जिकल रिड्यूस कर दिया, प्लास्टर कर दिया. This is known as surgery, sphere of surgery. ठीक है? Now comes the sphere of medicine. Now you give your medicine. Hahnemann told to do in this way, to do the treatment in this way. Surgical help is necessary in that case. Now comes your question, कि whether in cases of itching we can apply sulfur ointment or not. You apply, you tell me the reply. Who will give reply? Question is very brilliant, and I expect reply from your brilliant brain. Can we give sulfur ointment in cases of itching?
If there is regress itching, there will be rupture of the skin, so there could be an infection.
Infection is there, na? That is why he is telling, can we apply ointment, sulfur ointment? Who will reply? Whether we can apply ointment for skin disease or not?
There itching, there may be a diffusion of blood out, so that could lead to bacterial infection or fungal infection.
हाँ, हम ointment देंगे, ठीक हो जाएगा, ठीक हो जाएगा. तो you are approving.
देना चाहिए, अब ठीक होगा नहीं होगा.
देना चाहिए, वो बोल दिया. I discussed just 10 minutes before I discussed. No disease is local. Disease appear from the internal vital force and manifested through the external part. That is why you cannot apply any local treatment. Just 10 minutes before I discussed, and you are telling me लेना चाहिए. मेरा मुख में चूना और काली. What is disease? Itching. Internal disease. Internal disease. So when a disease is internal, so how you can treat with external medicine? Trauma was due to external. That is why you are applying ointment to make the area aseptic. Only in that case it is allowed. Diseases arising from external injury, you make it, you dress it. Only in that case external application is allowed. But itching, ringworm, eczema, whatever may be the name or form of the disease, it from external cause? From internal cause. Vital force is deranged. That is why there is development of disease. In cases of itching, the disease is manifesting on the skin. Is it external disease?
No, sir.
So how you can treat with external application? Only internal medication. Only internal medication. Because if you apply a ointment, what will happen? Disease will disappear. Disease will disappear from the surface. Clear? Then can you recognize then if whether person is cured or not? Can you recognize whether person is cured or not? Only you have removed the disease from external surface. Then you cannot claim that the person is cured or not. This is another problem. This is known as suppression. This is known as suppression or palliation. We will discuss what is suppression or palliation. So when you are giving only internal medication and gradually the size of the ringworm is getting smaller and disappear, is it proof that the disease is totally cured? Why? Because I did not apply any external ointment. It is disappearing because the disease is internally curing. That is why the external lesion is curing. What is happening? This is a proof that the person is now cured with your internal medication. That is why the lesion is disappeared. But if you apply ointment here only, there is no proof that the person got cured. Only the lesion is disappeared. We cannot claim the person is cured. Only we have applied medicine on external part. Then how can you claim that the person is cured? Only symptoms is removed from the part. And inevitably within 2 to 3 months or 6 months, immediately within 2 to 3 months or 6 months, this ringworm will appear on the other hand. Without failure. Without failure. Out of 100 times, symptoms will be appear. Not a single case in the universe was cured by the external application. Who is telling? Not a single case. Billions of people, and they got affected with this external disease, that is skin disease. Not a single one was cured by external application. Vaseline. Is Vaseline medicine? Petroleum jelly you can apply because there is irritation. That is why we advise to apply Vaseline. Very much itching. Very much itching, na? We apply to allow to apply moisture so that itching will be reduced. Because itching is very irritating, na? Very irritating. So in that case, we allow ठीक है आप थोड़ा Vaseline लगाओ. You can apply Vaseline and irritation, itching will be diminished. But that is not medicine. No. Just like using cream to make your face brighten or
प्रीतम
तो तुम लोग करते
जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवे निकलना.
vital force, how to make vital force stable? Very good question. So intelligent guys.
You are a good question.
How to make the vital force stable?
You are a good question.
How to make the vital force stable? You have to make the vital force healthy.
छोड़ने बोलो ना बकचोदी कर
You have to make the vital force only healthy. Then only you will be
छोड़ने
stable.
बोल ना
Stable vital force means health.
बकचोदी
Healthy vital force. Healthy vital force means healthy body. Huh? Very good, very good. Super intelligent, not only intelligent. Sit down. And today, getting healthy person is rare, rare and rare. We want to say कुछ बिना तो रोज जमा नहीं I like रोज एक के बैठकर फिर इसको एक्सम आते लड़की नहीं बैठते थे लड़का बैठता चलो तो if he is told to write getting healthy person is nobody is free from that. Nobody is free from that. We everyone are sick. Everybody is sick. Because we all carry the surah. Nobody is free from surah. Nobody is free from surah. And surah is the mother of all diseases. Surah is the
mother of all diseases.
nobody is free from disease. And if everybody has surah, then everybody is
Sick.
sick. Clear, madam? Clear? So apparently, so what should be the terminology? We are apparently. Clear? We are apparently. Absolute healthy. Absolute healthy queries. Nobody is absolute healthy. Degree of healthiness varies from person to person. 90% healthy, 60% healthy, 70% healthy. Clear? Our intelligent question. Wait. Very good. Bola super intelligent. Animal soul in being a healthy person. Then what will happen? If nobody is healthy, then how we can prove the drug?
अबे यार छोड़ने बोल ना
On that time, and Hanuman told, I am free from Surah. What Hanuman told? I am
Free
free
from
from Surah.
Surah.
So he is healthy. And I think kill. This is also symptoms of Surah. When a teacher is discussing the formative manifestations of vital and this can only happen when Surah is dominating. This is also what is Surah? Huh? What is Surah? Then question is so, acha, concept of health, I have discussed. Concept of disease, I have discussed. Concept of cure, I have discussed. Concept of individualization, I have discussed. Concept of holism, I have discussed. Concept of treatment, I have discussed. Any doubt regarding these 6 topics? If you have any doubt, then tell me. Otherwise, I will move to the other subject.
You said that homeopaths do not give external medicine, but I was given an external medicine for my acne. Once I went 1.5 years to the OPD.
Is acne derived from the external cause?
No, internal.
Internal.
Sir, but she gave me that.
She is wrong. What you are blaming homeopathy? I am talking about homeopathy. Homeopathic principle. If you are not following, then you are at fault. Homeopathy is not fault. It means she is not genuine homeopathy. You should not go there.
Sir, how can I
Common people does not know what is real homeopathy. They are deceiving the people. But you people should not deceive the common people who are passing from NI. At least.
Sir, I went to OPD. Okay.
And the more same students who are doing AP from another medicine, they are doing this. I confess. Who are at fault? Am I fault? What is with you, with the people who are prescribing this? Sometimes it is that is different. That is different. That will be long letter. Sir.
खामोश
तो ऐसा क्या जरूरी है कि वहीं से खत्म हमेशा चलता जाए? हो सकता है कुछ चेंजेस हो तो और अच्छा हो जाए।
ठीक है, वेरी गुड, सुपर इंटेलिजेंट world is changing. So why we should remain stick to the homeopathic cardinal principle? World is changing. Previously man used to walk over legs. Now you can walk on the hand. World is changing. We should assume something new. We should develop something new. Instead of walking by leg, start walking from tomorrow by hand. Law of gravitation. Law of gravitation. Was it new thing to Newton?
No.
Was it started existing from the falling of apple? It was there. It is now, and it will remain because it is the truth. Truth prevails. The whole universe is governed by some truth, some principles. Whole universe is controlled by some principles. Universal law, that is known as universal law. These laws will not be changed. If there is little change, if your art start moving few milliseconds faster, or if it starts moving few milliseconds slower, do you know what will be the consequences? Do you know that? Few milliseconds, I am not telling seconds, few milliseconds. If you start moving faster, or if you start moving slower, the existence of the universe will be in danger. The earth will be in danger. Do you know that? This is science. This is the universal law. It cannot be changed and it will never change. Understand? Change it. Fully आराम. बहुत ही आराम. अच्छा आराम. 2 मिनट.
इंटेलिजेंट क्वेश्चन कर रहा है
No, you need not walk by hand, walk by leg. Okay? The two always be, it will remain. Homeopathy based on the true system of the medicine. That is हो गया था